And a very happy Independence Day. Today is 75th anniversary of our independence. So I wish all the good luck to the nation of my country. We are celebrating in this day as the national festival of our country. This day is the anniversary of the Indian independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. Our motherland India is very precious for us because India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legends, and the great-grandmother of many traditions. Our most auspicious, most valuable and instructive material in the history of man are treasured up in India only. Our India is very rich and very cultural and heritage. It is most auspicious day for the people of our country because we are enjoying this as a national festival, Independence Day as a national festival, after lots of sacrifices, after lots of hardship and lots of struggle by the brave personalities, brave Indian freedom fighters. We are celebrating the Independence Day as also the remembrance of their lives that struggles for our country, and we always respect and honor them. India is always been a center of attraction because of its richness in each and everything. The British call our country Sone ki Chiriya because there is not a golden bird sitting on the tree. This is because each and every part of our country is very useful. Whether the culture, whether the spices, the tradition, the way of living and the way of thinking. We are rich in each and everything. That is why India is very special country in whole world, and we must respect and honor the sacrifices done by our great leader and the freedom fighter who sacrificed their life for our freedom. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was become the first Prime Minister. Moreover, he unfurled our tricolored flag at the Red Fort, New Delhi, the first time, and from that time, every year our Prime Minister unfurled the flag at Red Fort, New Delhi, and different type of program addition to this are performed from the Navy, from the Army, like March Past, and different type of cultural activities from the different type of peoples belong to schools, belongs to any other region are performed there to pay the respect of their peoples, to pay the respect of their struggles, their sacrifices. This day shouldn't be just a day to gather and raise the flag, take sweets, and that's it. One must keep this in their mind that the flag which is raised is our head, and that we shall never let anyone down. This is the pledge of each and every person from this country. No bite of delicious sweets gathering together are taken without thinking about those great personalities who fought for India empty stomach. This independence is very important and precious for all of us. Us as a citizen of this country, this has become our duty to always in our mind the past, the present, and the future glory alive. Not only today, but every day, every moment. We must promise to always help to raise the head of our farmers, soldiers, industrialists, doctors, and other government bodies high. Let us be pledged to do such a great thing which helps out in the development of our nation, because the freedom is, we can't buy this by money. Freedom is very precious gift which we gain, our reward which we gain after so many struggles and sacrifices done by the great freedom fighters and many more leaders. In detail, we all know that who are the main character for this. But as the people of India, the native of this precious country, valuable country, this becomes our duty to maintain the respect of this freedom and to intake the discipline in our life and to do something better for the betterment of our nation. Now that is from my side, and once again I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day, or the people who are hearing my voice, the natives of this country, I wish all a very happy independence from St. Thomas Public School. Thank you.